The government has slashed funding for fuel allocations, foreign trips, and workshops for civil servants as the ZIG continues its free fall. Sandapinda mashoko atinoona kuti vakomana vonzi no more government trips, no more workshops, no more fuel, vachiona kuti currency yavo yeZIG aiwa iri kunyatsokuita free fall, kunyatsokudonha nemanhede vakatarisa. Sandapinda mashoko ambianyika pana kuti subscribe, like watinoona mbele kuti pinda pana kufanirwa mchinzi. The government has come with these measures amid the collapse of the Zimbabwe economy, characterized by decades of failed policies and rampant corruption. The Zimbabwean dollar depreciated by a staggering 43% against the US dollar in September 2024, setting off a domino effect of economic challenges. Treasury has since issued a directive to government departments urging them to prioritize only essential expenditures for the remainder of the year with the limited non-wage budget support. A circular dated November 13 sent to permanent secretaries at the clerk of Parliament warned of grim fiscal outlook. This has left the Treasury scrambling to fund critical obligations such as the 2024 bonus payments, food security programs, agricultural inputs for the upcoming farming season, and utility subsidies. To contain expenditure, Treasury announced several measures for the remainder of 2024. Number 1, prioritization of payments for outstanding obligations. Number 2, approval of foreign travel only if funded externally. Number 3, suspension of local workshops unless pre-approved by Treasury. Number 4, a 50% reduction in fuel allocation for operational activities. Domashoko atinoona kuti aiwa vakomana panapo vakukata makosti vachiona kuti aiwa mari yavo haichavakwaniri, vachiona kuti ZIG roita kudonha value. Treasury aiwa youdzaudza vakomana, let us minimize our expenditures. Tidze mafungiro enyu muri kude pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, tinotora mbele.